Hello, this is Taj Tyres. I've got the new BMW X5 here. Just going to show you, I've done a couple of tyres on the front, Continentals. On here, it's got 275 35 22 on the front. And then on the rears, you've got 315 30 22. Now to check the tyre size and pressures, all you've got to do is open the driver's door. On the inside here, you've got all the sizes, whatever you've got on your car. Now this one's got 22 and then 22 right here. So you can put 2.2 all around, 2.7 all around with a load, or 2.4 in the back, 2.2 in the front. Now to reset it, as you can see right there, that's the warning light on. Just gonna shut the door. This is one cool car. I mean, you've got the gear knob is just too sick, it's crystallized. Now to reset it, it's quite simple. Press the home button. Now you can see already there's a message popping up. So if I close the window, go back to home, and then I'll scroll down onto car, go to vehicle status. Now there it is right there, tire pressure monitor system. Now it's saying it's got 2.6, 2.8, 2.8. I'll set the pressure up in a bit. And if I just save the tire settings, as you can see right there now, is resetting tire pressure. I will sort the tire pressure out. Now if I go back, let me show you a cool feature on this one. This is sick, I must say. Now these new BMW X5 cameras are amazing. If you put it in drive mode, if I put it in reverse, all the cameras would come on. And if I drive forward, okay, for instance right there, it's getting too close, but that's not it. I want to show you something else. Look at that. Let me just zoom out a little bit. I'll zoom in to the camera. Now if I reverse back all the way, wow, that is amazing. Then if I go forward, that's some cool features right there. This got a 360 camera on one side, and then you got the front on the other side. But as soon as you put it in reverse, rear would come on. Now this has got some sick features. Now there's loads of other features on this particular model as well, but I won't go through all of them at the moment. But I have got a video for this, how to put this car in a jacking mode. It's quite simple and easy to do. If you got to jack this car up, make sure you activate the jacking mode by locking off the suspensions right there, and this is the button you need to work on. There will be a video for it, do watch out, and it will be in the BMW playlist as well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please do leave a comment and like the video as well, and share it where possible. And if there's anything else you need to know, let us know. We'll try helping you out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.